Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today, I'm gonna play Escape the Fidget Spinner Obby. So, I got a little partner. It's my brother. Hey guys, and he's gonna stay here the whole time.
Why?
Dude, you never pay attention like some videos, alright? So, I know, but I'm gonna make a video. Alright, so let's get started. So, my brother's just laying there and he just eats spaghetti. But, dude, why is that? Oh my god, what is that? What is that? I can't go over there? Dude, why can't... So is this the fidget spinner Obby? Right. Why I'm... Oh my god, why I'm like that? Cause so guys, I make some changes. I don't have a... So, I changed my character. Just leave me alone. Oh, it kills me. Ow. Where's saying? Ooh? Dude. And I'm gonna be shortcut. What? What the heck was that? I was making a jump. I can't go right there. Why? I can't go right there. Why? Oh my god. So, I'm going right here. So you can't, there's a visible wall. Yeah, what are these? Oh, I saw these on the trolls. I see this in the trolls. They're just crazy flowers. Ow! Oh my god. Oh my god. What you're just saying? Yeah, she leave the game. She don't want I post that. Alright, so today we're gonna finish this up. Wow, why is that always happens? Some obbies just kill already. And this one is more unfair. I'm not kidding, this one's more unfair. And I'm going right here, and it gets to 10. I have to hang up. And ooh, I saw these ones. Ow, they hurt so much. Heh. Wow, we can walk on it. I didn't know that. Oh wow, that girl's already doing it. Wow, congratulations. Wow, you're more better of me. Well, I died. Wow, this it looks like I'm gonna make it. Girl, bro, you were so good, but then you changed your mind. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh, it doesn't let me jump. I'm just seeing the game. Okay, I'm gonna exit. It's all right. Be really careful, Heckna. Be really. No. Heckna. Jesus, you have to make really jumps here. Oh dear, I'm not going. I'm not going, buddy. Ooh, you died. I saw you, boy. I'm not dumb. Oh, dang! No. Okay, stage 20's gonna a little hard. How he did it? Yeah, I died.
Es que tienes que mirar así.
Alright, I'm going right here. I'm seeing you, girl. I'm seeing you. I'm seeing you. My aunt's here. Oh my god. He just messed the video up. What you just said to me, girl? Dude. I think I'm gonna finish this obby. Oh, that's kinda like... Oh my god. I kinda want to kill myself right now. Wow. It's not letting me to jump. This is a stupid girl. She died. Hey, hey. Alright, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Let's make it. We can make it cow. Make it cow. Make it cow. I can't touch those sticks. Come on, come on. I can't touch those. I thought they were invisible walls. Okay. So I'm going right here, right here, right here. Right here. Okay. Those look scary. Those look like my color. I want my color. Holy, it's bouncing me. Ow, it's killing me. So yeah, tell your life.
Well, I wake up
In the morning.
and
You wake me up. Oh, I was dreaming
wait,
like I was eating pies.
no, I wake up and I watch TV and then I wake you up.
Yeah, you wake me up while I was dreaming a lot of cupcakes.
For what?
And then there's my aunt. He's scaring me of crap above me. He scared me. He scared me, bro. I'm not kidding. He scared me.
I didn't see that. He scared you.
No, he just scared me in my dreams.
Oh.
I just said, Ian. How about his name is that big? Alright. Oh, that was him. Wow. Wait for me. I'm not gonna wait for you. Oh, dude. Oh, no. I just want to poop my pants. Oh, no. No, wait for me. Yeah, you're not gonna wait for me. Wow. Wow, looks like you're going back.
Is that Rainbow Dash?
Yeah, that's Rainbow Dash. My brother's a baby, but I'm still calling him like what he says is that Rainbow Dash. Wow, that looked like invisible. Oh, I'm gonna see this girl. She tricks. Oh my god, that looks. Oh my god, that looks insane. Oh, I'm gonna make her to blink. I'm gonna make her. I'm gonna make her. I'm gonna make her. Ah! Oh, let's see if she can do it. Oh, I don't hear nothing. I don't hear nothing. Oh, guys, let's see her. Like she's. What? Oh,
She over there.
what the heck? I thought she's gonna fall for that. She's never gonna fall for that. Where you could look at the top. Ouchie! Just ouch! Oh, guys, we're not gonna finish this obby in time. Yep, we're not going. Oh my god, just one more. Just one more. Come on, baby.
Is this in the podium below?
Yes, I am. Right here and right here. Almost there. Just don't get to 10, baby. I'm running up. Come on, please. I have to make it. Alright. I have to make it. Oh dear. Oh crap. Right. What was there? No. No. Okay, guys. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. We can make it. I'm gonna. Dang it! It's already 10. I'm still going. Dear. So I'm gonna be quiet for a second. Dang! Okay, guys. This is it. I'm going to figure this right now, and I made it. Make part 2. No, I'm not. Make part 2. So, subscribe to Fat Paps, and shout out to Nala Mendoza, and I will go to sleep. I'm so tired, but all right, bye.